guys, so today we are going to make butter slime. So the first thing you're going to do is grab my glue. I only have the gallon. Oh wait, so things we'll be needing is glue, something to mix in, something to mix with, your clay, I have yellow, lotion, your borax and water, and shaving cream. So first you're going to pour your glue into the bowl. Oh, and a container to store it in. So I'm going to pour in my glue. That's enough. And close it back up. And comment down below if you want me to make another big batch of slime. And then we're going to add a little bit of water. We're just going to mix that. So we get an even thing. Okay, now we are going to add in our shaving cream. We do not want to add too much. Whoa. Okay. Should be enough. You could always add shaving cream at the end. So just gonna mix that. When you're done mixing, you are going to add in your lotion. So I'm using Snowflake and Cashmere from Bath and Body Works. And it smells really good. And the lotion will make it stretchy, and the shaving cream will make it fluffy. And the clay will make it be like butter slime. Okay. I think that's enough. So that was so this part we're just making regular white slime. So I'm just gonna grab my borax and water. Put a spoonful in. One at a time. As you can see, it's starting to make the slime. Just gonna keep mixing and adding. Only adding a little bit at a time. So you don't want your slime to be hard. You can see my slime coming together. Just a little bit sticky still. And if you add too much, you'll just ruin your slime. It'd be a waste of glue, shaving cream, and lotion. A little bit more. Okay, then I'm going to start using my hands. And comment down below if you want me to make avalanche slime, because I have all the ingredients for it. Okay, so as you can see, I made my slime, my white slime. I'm just gonna play with it because it's not very stretchy. So I'll be back to you guys when we get all this slime ready. So I'm back and I made the white slime. It's kind of tough, as you can see. It kind of breaks easy. But anyway, I'm gonna add my Model Magic clay. And I chose yellow once again. And I got this at Office Max. I got a 14 pack. How do I open this? It's not opening. I guess I'm gonna have to use my magic powers. There we go. So now we have the yellow clay. Looks like butter. I love clay. It's so soft. So squishy. Okay, so I'm just gonna grab my slime. Spread it out a little bit. And I'm gonna add like half of this. I'm gonna add the other half later. I'm gonna add this half in right now. And this will also turn the slime white, so it really looks like butter, and I'll spread it too. Just gonna put that in the middle of it and start folding in my clay. Oh. To be very careful so I don't rip it. And butter slime is like the most satisfying slime to me. Because it's, I don't know. It's kind of like Play-Doh, but it's more soft and nice. So I'll come back to you guys when I finish putting in this half and I'm all done. So I just finished mixing the slime. As you can see, it's butter slime now. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Look how, oh my gosh, I'm so happy. See? Yay! I love this slime so much. It's really stretchy. I love it. As you can see, it doesn't make like the slime noise as it did before, but it's good. I like that noise. So I'm just gonna zoom in and show you the spreading. I'm just gonna lay it out like that. Show you the spreading. Can you see that? Oh my gosh. This is so cool. I love this so much. And now, to not ruin your slime, we are going to put it in an airtight container. I like these containers because they're pretty big. These are 5.5 ounces. And they are clear, so they're easy to see in. And I love these so much. Oh my gosh, so nice. I really recommend making butter slime. If you guys want me to make charcoal butter slime, I have black butter clay, so I can make that. So I'm just going to put this in the container. Oh, fits perfectly. Let me push it all the way down. And this is what it looks like. Oh my gosh. And also comment down below if you want me to do a slime collection. So I'm just going to keep it in here for a while until I want to play with it again. And yeah. Thank you for watching this video. And if you like this video, please give it a like. And subscribe to my channel if you are new, if you want to see more slime stuff. Let's make a bottle, container flip.
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to get respect up on the street.
Oh, I am the one, the one, the one. So, thank you guys for watching and bye!